Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download your CAC documents on the new AI portal. Alright, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight in. So first of all, you visit this page, icrp.cac.gov.ng /auth/login. You basically go to the login page, your username and your password, then you click on login. Then you check your email to send the OTP, to get the OTP and input it there. Then you click on submit. Then once you're done with that, you go to approved application. Take note, make sure you are under the registration. If you notice, this is for name reservation. So I'm going to click here, then I'll go to registration. Then you see approve, then you click on action, you download your certificate. You can also download your receipt if you want. Next, you download the status report. This is for a company registration, but there are similar ways for both business name. Then you also download for memorandum. So you could also try to view or generate thing. So a lot of time you'll get this error. It's fine. So that's all for this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. See you in the next video and bye for now.